Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another tutorial video. You guys asked and you shall receive. We're doing a highly requested nail tutorial video. It's about time. I literally have been doing my own nails for so long. I refuse to go back to the nail salons. I used to go to the nail salons all the time because the job that I had required for me to have my nails done, and so I would go all the time, and I just got so tired of sitting in the salon for 2 hours and paying $100 every time when I knew that I could do it myself from the comfort of my own home. I definitely wanted to be able to learn how to do my nails. I love to do my own maintenance stuff. I love the challenge of learning how to do it, and I also just enjoy that me time. I enjoy that quality time investing in myself, especially with how artistic and creative you can get with nails and nail designs. I love that. That's one of my favorite things, is that I can scroll on Pinterest and I can look at something and be like, I think I can do that, and then you just sit down and throw on a show, do whatever you want to do, and you can do your own nails. And it's so nice to be able to do it at home. I was scrolling on Pinterest and saw these inspo pics, and I knew that I wanted to do my nails. Like, they're so cute. A lot of these had more of a like nude base, and I knew I didn't want a nude base. I wanted like a white base, maybe a little bit more milky pinky base, and I wanted the gold designs, of course. So it's like a mixture of all of these. Ultimately, this is what I ended up with. They're like starry astrology, and they have all of those gold little designs. Same on this side, all the stars, little designs. And these are super easy to do. Like, it literally was so quick. I'm going to take you through how I was able to do them. If you want to do your nails from home, to start, and the easiest way to do it is to get a nail kit. This is the Modelones Gel Mini Salon. The Poly X nails that I have too is also from a Modelones kit, and I'm obsessed with them. They have everything that you need in them, and it's so easy. You can order them from Amazon. So let's open up the Gel Mini Salon kit, and I will show you guys how I did my nails. I'm just going to go through everything that's in here so that you guys know what you're getting if you order this. There's different color palettes of the polish on Amazon, so when you go through, you can pick between, I believe, 3 different options of the colors that you want. I picked the one with like a cream, a pink, a shimmery orange, and like a wine red, and then it also comes with a base and a top coat. And then of course they have a bunch of other colors that you can order separately too if you would like. I just loved how classy the shade range was, and this red wine shade is speaking to me for the fall. Next is the UV light that comes inside of it. So this is how you harden the gel, and it's just like this super cute little light, and it pops out like this. You just set it on your table and then you turn on the light. You guys will see in a little bit in the video, but it's super tiny and compact, so it's easy to travel with if you ever want to do your nails on the go. I already used some of them, but these are the stickers that I used to stamp on the stars and the designs. Having stickers is so much easier than hand painting. Oh my gosh, it's so much quicker. It goes so much quicker. It looks so much better. It's foolproof. I love it. So it comes with these stickers. These ones are the star ones that are gold, but they have a ton of other different designs and options on Amazon as well. In the kit is also these wraps that are nail removing wraps. So you put your nail in here, and then you wrap it up. It just soaks in there and you can remove your nails. So it's super easy, does not damage your nails at all. These are amazing, and they're not messy. I love it. So it comes with some of those as well. It also comes with a nail file, a cuticle cutter, and another tool. So having a cuticle cutter is also really important to having a certain type of nail that you're probably looking for. If you want to have a Russian style manicure where your cuticles are clean and everything just looks really nice and put together, that Russian manicure style is amazing, and having a cuticle cutter is essential to achieving that look. And then it also comes with a Scan Me that takes you to a nail tutorial on how to use this kit, which comes in super handy if it's your first time. Okay, now that we've ran through everything that's in the kit, it's time to get down to business and do a much needed nail refresh. So let's head into the tutorial. These are the nails that we're starting out with. One of the first things I like to do is make sure that I have the perfect base before applying polish. So I start by buffing, filing, and using the cuticle tools to get rid of any excess cuticles, any dead skin, and just clean up that whole nail bed area. This is also the perfect time to begin filing your nails into the shape that you desire. And I'm going to continue doing all of those steps for both hands. And then you can see here by how smooth the index finger is compared to the middle finger after doing that whole process. It provides a much smoother, seamless base for the polish to go onto. Once we finish the nail prep, look how amazing it looks. We're going to plug in the UV lamp. We're going to apply the base coat. I like doing one hand at a time, so we're going to start by applying the base coat on my left hand, and then we're going to cure that under the light. I personally find it easier to do my 4 fingers, cure that, and then do my thumb and cure that separately. For my base today, I'm going to go in with the color White Champagne that was in the kit, and I'm going to apply my first layer. I find it best to provide a thin layer to start. The polish is very buildable, and I like doing about 3 to 4 layers just for strength, color. It really depends on your personal preference. This is what the first layer looks like, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it, and I like to cure it for the full 60 seconds just to make sure that it's really dried down. Here is layer 2, and we're curing it again, and then we're going to move on to layer 3, and I only did 3 layers, so this is the last layer. Moving on to the best part, the nail designs. I love that this design palette was clear so that I could just kind of lay it over top of the nail and figure out the order I wanted to put them in, the designs I wanted to do. It just made it so easy to map out. Having the stickers was so foolproof, and the designs were perfect. I found anytime I would hand paint designs, it took so long, and I'm not a perfect artist, but I am a perfectionist. So at a certain point, sometimes I'd look at my own designs and be like, oh, I don't know how I feel, but I love how the stickers turned out, and I love that they were just perfect from the get-go. Once I had all of the designs done and put on, I applied the top coat and cured that for the 60 seconds, and then we're done. Okay, that is the full tutorial. I hope it was everything that you were looking for and more. I'm going to show you again the final results of the nails because I love them so much. I literally can't stop looking down at my hands. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I did these, and I'm just so obsessed with how they turned out. They're so fun and so cute, and the stickers just made it so easy. Here are the nails. Most of these, I think every single one of them except for 2 of them are my real nails, like the length of my real nails. I am currently working on growing them out, healing them, getting them nice and strong, and I love that this kit provides the ability to do that, especially with the removal process of this kit. It's so much less damaging on your natural nails, and that is what is going to provide longevity in your nails, healing, thickening, strengthening your nails, the whole deal. I will have everything that I used linked down below in the description in my Amazon storefront, so you can just go straight there, so that now that you guys have a tutorial, you guys can do your nails from home too. I am so happy that I was finally able to give you guys a highly requested nail tutorial. You guys know the deal. Just comment if you want another one, comment if you want a specific style. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm sending the best wishes for nail inspiration, nail tutorial, nail designs, nail health. I'm sending my best wishes for it all. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next video. Bye, beauties.